Seems we're headed the wrong direction, sir. Shouldn't we be coming back to the fight?
Plenty of fight to go around, McTavish. Glad you made it out of South America. You're meeting up with the 6th Fleet, leading the counterstrike. Prisoner 627. We believe that's who Makarov's got the Mad on for, but we can't get to him.
Oil rigs, sir?
Russians are using them as SAM sites. Oil workers are human shields, so we can't just blow up the rigs wholesale. And this one is the least defended. Boys, I know I'm sending you into the meat grinder on this one.
They're defending it, so it means we want it. Especially if it gets us to 627.
USS Chicago, actual to dry dock shelter. We have a go.
DDS hangar flooded. Full pressure.
Begin deployment.
Team 1, STV is away. Hotel 6, bearing 019er.
USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective.
Hotel 6, depth 20 meters.
Team 2 at the objective.
Хватит смолить эту дрань. Легкие посадишь.
We'll take them out at the same
Чем
time.
подолешь?
On your call.
Отвали, отвали.
Two hostiles down in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2. Roger that, Hotel 6. Keep it tight, people. Got a visual battle riding. 3 to engage. Suppressed weapons only. We're clear. Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire. Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach. We're clear. Hostages secured in Section 2 Echo. Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Continue your search topside. Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to Deck 2. Eyes open. Watch your sectors. Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6. Roger that. Helo approaching. Get down. All clear. Move up. Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position. Copy that. Clear. Set up a plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go. C4, place, sir. Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. There's a patrol. Hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by.
Установи пулеметную точку в ресторане! Давай, давай! Тревога! Вижу
Plan B.
вражескую цель!
Do it.
Рубите!
Control, this is Hotel 6. Our cover is blown. Copy that. Intel still indicates hostages and possible explosives on the top deck. Your team needs to secure that location before we can send in reinforcements to handle the SAM sites. Over. Roger that. We'll call in for X-Bill at LZ Bravo. CENTCOM needs us to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move. Copy. Contact in a barrel. Move. Cover me. Tango down. Occupy. Peasant. Movement.
Got eyes on target.
Grenade!
Roach. Take him out.
We got a man down!
Установите мину!
Hotel 6 hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over. Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Enemy healer! Take cover!
Big damage. Contact back behind the pipe.
Target acquired. Nice shooting, Roach. The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines. I got a runner. Stun out. Got a man down. Ghost. Target at 12 o'clock. Cover me. Roach. Contact to the northwest. Grover. Contacted you at 5 o'clock.
I'm tracking.
Tango down. Split up. We can flank through these hallways. Copy. Got a tango in the open. I don't have a shot. Tango down. Rover. Contact near the fuel container.
I got eyes on target.
Убегай! Не тормозите! Не будет воздушная поддержка!
Take him out. Tango down. Cover me. Copy. Contact near the barrels. Eyes on target. Let's go. Those hostages aren't going to rescue themselves. Move up.
Черт! Там второго схода! Уничтожены на походе! Нас не будет помощи!
Smoke screen. These guys have thermal optics. Stay clear of the smoke. Trigger! Roach. Target moving gun and flank. Grenade! Hotel 6, be advised. Hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over. Copy that. All teams check your fire. You don't know what's behind these doors. Roach, contact near the barrels. I'm moving. RPG! Target neutralized. Get a frame charge on the door. We'll hit the room from both sides. Clear. Room clear. Control. All hostages have been secured. I repeat, all hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over. Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get your team ready for Phase 2 of the operation. Out. Hunter 2-2, this is Punisher Actual. Go plat secure. All EOD teams are cleared for landing.
Roger, Punisher. Hunter 2-2 copies all.
Punisher, this is Phoenix 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s en route to grid 257221 for SEAD mission. Requesting sitrep, over. Phoenix 1-1, Punisher. Blue sky, I repeat, blue sky. Come to heading 240 and continue on course to target area. Good hunting, over. Punisher, all flights in vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2 is moving to secure the SAM site at the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3 is proceeding towards the Derrick building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual to all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized.